Carrot is a root vegetable that is crisp, delicious, and packed with nutrients. It is high in fiber and contains carbs and water. We used to eat carrots, which are high in carotene and other nutrients. There are numerous health benefits of carrots that we were unaware of. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Daily Positive Dose. In today's video, we are going to go over 15 amazing health benefits of carrots. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 15. Provides instant power. If you feel fatigued and restless after working out in the gym, jogging, or coming home from work, take a glass of carrot juice to revive the energy lost. The high iron content of carrot juice delivers quick energy to the body. To make matters worse, this iron also guarantees that the brain receives a proper supply of oxygen, resulting in greater mental agility and less weariness. Number 14. Combat hair loss. Carrot is an excellent food for fighting hair loss. This is because carrots provide essential vitamins to the hair, making it stronger, thicker, and more vibrant. As a result, drinking carrot juice makes your hair look healthy and lustrous. Number 13. Protect from the sun. Beta-carotene is a skin nutrient that is turned into vitamin A by the body. This aids in the restoration of skin tissues and provides protection from the sun's rays. Antioxidants and carotenoids protect the skin by increasing its resistance to the sun and curing sunburn. In the summer, drinking carrot juice acts as a natural sunscreen. Number 12. Protects the skin and serves in wound healing. Beta-carotene is utilized to treat any sort of wound. The doctor reveals that for generations, carrots have been used as a poultice to help treat wounds. On the other hand, if you have any form of infection on your skin, such as cuts, sores, or others, you will notice that carrots and their juice enhance your skin's health. In this way, it improves its ability to heal faster and combat infections as well as skin irritation. Number 11. Strengthens bone health. Carrots contain a lot of vitamin A. This fat-soluble vitamin aids in the formation of bone-building cells. A lack of vitamin A can reduce bone health. Carrots include essential elements that promote bone and overall health. Number 10. Protect the brain. Carrots also have the additional benefit of protecting our brain. Consuming this cooked vegetable or juice has been shown to be beneficial in the treatment of cognitive dysfunctions, as well as in improving memory and lowering bad cholesterol. Number 9. Protect the liver. The carrot, which contains fiber and antioxidants, is good for your liver's function. Fiber stimulates bile secretion in the liver, which helps to prevent disorders of that organ and the gallbladder. It also lowers inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body, including the liver. Scientists investigated the effect of beta-carotene on rats given alcohol, and it was found to prevent liver damage. Carrots were also found to protect this organ from environmental pollutants and contaminants. Number 8. Keeps the heart healthy. Experts advise a balanced diet of fruits and vegetables to keep the body and heart healthy. But carrots are significantly more vital in preventing coronary heart disease (CHD). Although there is no definite relationship, we discovered results for the 4 color groups with coronary heart disease, which indicate that a greater intake of deep orange fruits and vegetables, especially carrots, can protect against heart disease. Conversely, meals like fish, alcohol, and fruits and vegetables may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 7. Reduces risk of contracting type 2 diabetes. Research suggests that persons genetically predisposed to type 2 diabetes may reduce their risk of developing the chronic condition by consuming beta-carotene. A research by Stanford University School of Medicine cites time. If you are prone to type 2 diabetes, eating more carrots may help offset the genes that produce the disease, says research author Dr. Atul Butte, Associate Professor of Pediatrics at Stanford University. Number 6. Cleans teeth and maintains healthy gums. Carrots are a great method to keep your teeth and gums clean. Chewing this vegetable inside the mouth cleans the plaque and removes food residues, similar to how toothbrushes work. Furthermore, this activates the gums and produces a huge amount of alkaline saliva, which eliminates bacteria that grow in molar cavities. Carrots include minerals that protect teeth from tooth decay. Number 5. Protect from prostate cancer. Carrots are high in fiber, and research has found that diets based on carrots may be beneficial for younger men in terms of prostate cancer prevention. Number 4. Combat leukemia. The so-called blood cancer can be prevented by consuming carrots on a regular basis, either in juice or salad form. According to a study published in 2011, carrot juice extract has the ability to kill leukemia-causing cells and prevent them from progressing. Number 3. Take care of your digestion. Dietary fiber is essential for sustaining intestinal health. In this regard, the carrot, like the majority of vegetables, contains this chemical. Fiber increases the volume of stools, which contributes to a faster digestive transit. Furthermore, it promotes peristaltic movement and the release of stomach juices. As a result, eating carrot reduces constipation while also protecting the colon and stomach from diseases such as colorectal cancer. Number 2. Combat aging. According to a report from the University of Maryland Medical Center, consuming carrots with a high level of beta-carotene reveals to be a potent antioxidant, which protects the cellular damage in the body produced by the slower metabolism that rises with age. Furthermore, on the other hand, this substance helps to slow down the aging of our body's cells. Number 1. Improves vision. Your grandmother must have told you that carrots are excellent for your eyes. That story isn't entirely false. This is due to the fact that carrots are high in beta-carotene, a chemical component that is converted into vitamin A in the liver. This vitamin is then converted into the retina in rhodopsin, a purple pigment protein required for night vision. Furthermore, beta-carotene protects our eyes from macular degeneration and senile cataracts. People who consume a lot of this plant have a 40% lower risk of macular degeneration. With that being said, here we come to the end of our video. I hope you liked this video. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you never miss any video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.